Hi guys! Today's recipe is mango shrimps, bitter gourd, and coconut milk. Here we are! When the oil is hot, at first put in the ginger and garlic, followed by the onions, and then tomatoes. And then here is the shrimps. And just mix it until it is being cooked. Just continue mixing it until it will be cooked a little bit. Applying the black pepper now, then followed by the soy sauce. For me, it just estimated, and then seasoning. This is the magic syrup that I have applied. I'm fan of magic syrup. And still stir. Then followed by the bitter gourd. Here it is. Don't mix it much. It's because it will be bitter. More bitter. Bittier if we keep on mixing. And let it be steamed. Just cover it for the meantime. Then it's done. Then go to the boiled mango. Remove the dead parts, the cover of the mango. Little remaining. Then it's done. Add the mixture now. This is the one. Then just mix it. Let it boil until it will be completely done. I added here again my magic syrup for the taste and salt. Again added seasoning, magic syrup. That was magic syrup, guys. And again another. I added little soy sauce. Little of vinegar. And now the coconut milk. Mix it well. Added magic syrup again. I put in a black pepper for spicy taste. and salt. And this is ready. It's cooked. And it's done. That's it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.